Benjamin Netanyahu, Eburule, Benjamin Netanyahu have come fully with his chest and take the matter of Nigeria and the Biafra to President Trump in White House. He presented it openly.
Please, my fellow Biafrans, it is time for us to share this particular video because this is a good news for all the Biafrans. So if you know that you like what I'm doing, you like the kind of content that I'm bringing here, do well to follow this particular page and also share this video and drop your opinion in the comment section because your opinion matters a lot. This our brother that people are seeing on my screen like this just drop a heavy statement concerning Biafra and the Israel Prime Minister. So just take one of your time and watch this video. After watching this video, don't forget to share so that this video can be able to go viral because I want all the Biafrans to watch this particular video. You get why? Tell yourself congratulations in the comment section because God is doing his work. Thank you and have a nice day.
Benjamin Netanyahu, Eburule, Benjamin Netanyahu have come fully with his chest and take the matter of Nigeria and the Biafra to President Trump in White House. He presented it openly and tell President Trump, well, I cannot wait for us to go. I cannot wait for us to go to Nigeria. He tell President Trump, I cannot wait for us to go. Enough is enough. He presented it to President Trump at the White House. This is they play, they show. As they play, that's it, the show. As they play, that's it, the show. Let me tell you, Nigerians. I told you, don't expect Nigerians don't expect Americans and this that are coming to Nigeria to shoot. No. It's not like that. It's never like that. It's never like that. America will apprehend everybody that supported Islamic terrorists because Nigeria have been in the record that they are one of the countries that are doing or producing terrorists. So they will capture everybody, just that is happening in Venezuela and Iran. They will capture everybody red-handed for the world to see and bring them this to America here for questioning. They will capture them red-handed. There's a lot of things we don't have to say on the social media. You people should relax. President Trump is not sleeping on this Nigeria matter. Benjamin Netanyahu is not sleeping on Nigeria matter. I just want to reassure you. You people should just exercise patience. Allow whatever that is happening to be happening. Many will regret it. Many will regret it. Many. Shakun Gumi, Asare Dokobo, Satan Sokoto, all of them that sponsored America is they knows everybody that is sponsored. Both the names AU released the other time. Those are sponsoring terrorism in Nigeria. There's a list. President Trump has the list. Benjamin has the list. They have the list of all those people. So strategically, they have to handle them. They have to capture them one after the other. Instantly, all of them. When the whistle blow, they will capture all of them. You people should just take it easy. Just relax. Just relax. I'm giving you people that hope. Just relax. Things will happen in Nigeria. Tulumbu will be the last president in Nigeria. Tulumbu will be the last president in Nigeria. As they refuse to do the needful, Tulumbu will be the last president in Nigeria. As they refuse to do the needful, because I will not be alive for somebody to Islamize me and Islamize my children, my wife and my family and my siblings. No way. I will never be alive to experience that. No way. I will never. I'd rather buy myself than Muslim to come and Islamize, knock on my door on gunpoint, tell me to deny my religion. That if not so, they will buy me. Oh my God, it will never happen. It will never happen. It will never happen. The God I'm serving, this God that I'm serving, will never allow it to happen. This God that I'm serving, Chukwu Kabiama, that I'm serving, will never allow it to happen. I swear, it will never allow it to happen in Nigeria. Biafra must have their freedom. They like it or not. Biafra must have their freedom. They like it or not. Share this video, like, comment, follow me without no reason. Please help me subscribe on my YouTube channel as Maris West USA 2 at the front of it. Thank you very much as you do this. sometimes when people that I blame a lot of people that have been ruled in that country, been a leader in that country that do not do anything. If you come to Nigeria constitution, Sharia law was mentioned 72 times in Nigeria constitution. Sharia law 72 times. Sharia law was mentioned 72 times in Nigeria constitution. You see, Islam was mentioned 28 times in Nigeria constitution. 28 times in Nigeria constitution. You see, all these are mentioned in Nigeria constitution. No single anything concerning Christian was not mentioned in Nigeria constitution. Nothing about Christian that was mentioned in Nigerian constitution. And let me tell you, Obasanjo have ruled 2 times and saw that constitution and keep mute. And keep mute that thunder fired him. I'm not regretting to say this. And keep mute and leave that constitution for 2 tenors. Jonathan was there and saw the constitution and still leave that constitution. Is Nigeria a Muslim country? Is Nigeria a Muslim country? These people have been ruling Nigeria, see that constitution and keep quiet till today. Nothing about Christian that mentioned in Nigeria constitution. That's why Igbo say, allow us to go. We are not together with you people. Because you people do not add it out on this constitution. You people did not add Igbo on this constitution. Allow us to go. We are Christians. We have seen the constitution of Nigeria. Sharia was mentioned 72 times. Islam 28 times. Muslim 10 times. Christian not even 1. Allow us to go. We are not Muslims. You people refuse. You people refuse. But people have been ruling and seeing that constitution. Obasanjo have ruled for 2 tenors. 2 tenors. For 8 Obasanjo ruled Nigeria for 16 good years and saw that constitution and still leave it. Jonathan Bindia, they still leave it. They did not amend it. Go to the army all army barak, their logo is Muslim, is Islamic, Arabic language. That's what they use and write on everywhere. How did Igbos manage to join you people in Nigeria? I don't know. Allow Igbos to go. You people refuse. Allow Igbos to go. You people refuse. They are Christians. They are not added. We have tabled all these things to President Donald Trump to see, and Benjamin of Israel to see. We need a separation because we are not included in Nigeria constitution. We are not included. Igbos are not included in Nigeria constitution. Allow Igbos to go. Bring Nigeria constitution today. See if there's anywhere they mention Christian. Muslim was mentioned 28 times. Sharia was mentioned 72 times. No Christian there. Allow Igbos to go. You people refuse. How did Igbos related with you people? You people are terrorists. You people are terrorists. You people are Muslims. You people are terrorists. Allow us to go. You people refuse. Please share this video, like, comment, follow me without no reason. Try to subscribe on my YouTube channel as Maris West USA. There's the 2 at the front. Thank you very much as you do this.
God bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to save Igbo people. I said a lie. Not be only Igbo people, but now the full Nigeria.
One also to go. If you want to know the reason why they jailed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and sent him to Sokoto prison, watch this video from the beginning and end. I hear everything from this lady. This particular lady that you are about to watch now, she is not from Igbo tribe, but she is here to tell you everything concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the reason why federal government sentenced him life imprisonment. This particular video will teach you many things that is going on in this country that you did not know anything about. Watch this video and make sure say you share this video. Very, very important.
President Tinubu knows say if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dey aside, he go worry am for this coming election. Now I make them carry and go put for prison. Yes, now the secret be that. Because if not be like that, I see no reason why they carry and go put for that prison. The man a prophet. And a prophet with solution. Don't be all these prophets we go just talk waka comot. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na prophet with solution. Because he tell us the solution, but Nigerians no gree accept. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, now we need you the most, but you there for prison. Now we go rescue us. We dey call God help us. God don't already give us Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to help us, but we no agree. Because Nigerian leaders no like better thing. Then carry and go put for prison. Somebody tell me, say, Tare, God bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to save Igbo people. I said, na lie. Not be only Igbo people, but now the full Nigeria. Now God bring them to rescue. But our leaders no like good thing. So they go put him for prison in order to close him mouth. Because APC government no say Mazi Nnamdi Kanu get force. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go fit spoil things for them for this coming election. That is why they go put him for Okere. Now so me I reason am. Now so me I reason am. The man talk and say time they come where we go use our money, buy our own money. It no happen. Shebi we dey use our money now, they buy money again for this country, Nigeria. The man talk and say time they come where we say Fulani people go invade our farmland them. It no happen like this. Including the north. Farmers they fit go farm again. Including Yoruba land. Farmers they fit go farm again. Then even here for Niger Delta. Farmers they go farm again. We know they fit go farm again. Our mothers now no fit get mind now they go farm again. That kind of person God carry and give us. Our leaders then say no, they don't like him. He talk and say Fulani people go molest our women them. Take over our communities. Make we stand up, do something. Leaders for Nigeria say no, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we have to shut you up. Then carry and go put for prison. Everything where the man talk, it dey happen like this. You will be Igbo leader, where join body with government, carry Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go put for prison. I won't tell you something. If bandits come, they no care to know whether you be APC leader or whether you no be APC leader. They no care to know whether you be Igbo leader or be APC member. They no care. Then go carry you go. The truth are the talk. Now who want rescue us now for this country? Person where for rescue this Nigeria now. Now Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But now they don't carry and go put for Okere to shut him out. Because government no say demand get force. Government consider reason and say if we leave this man work out freely for our side, he go spoil things for our coming election. Now then carry and go keep for where we don't know. The time where fella there for life, they doing things. I never know something. So I can't go back, go they do research. I do plenty research. I find out say fella now one person way worry government. They tell government the truth. Government no like him. Now they maneuver. So then now all the things where fella talk, it they happen. All of us now they say, oh, Baba fella been talking. Baba fella been talking. Baba Mazi Nnamdi Kanu self talking. We no believe. Not be say we no believe, but our leaders, they know they like good things. So then carry now go put for Kere. Go put her for Kere. Now who go rescue this country? Who go rescue us? Person we're supposed to rescue us now, they okay. Obi Kubana and chief priest, they say, you are not going to get any vote in South, in Igbo land. Overnight, then join City Boys movement, betray their brother. Go the contest election. Alpha, as you say, the APC no go get vote. Now make you no get vote. Then fall your hands down. And you, the same Obi Kubana and chief priest, if bandit won't come visit Ona, bandit no go ask Ona whether now be the leaders of City Boys movement. No, bandit no go ask. Then go just carry on and go where we don't know. Then at that time, Ona go no say waiting then due to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Na bad thing. Who go rescue us now? Bandits now they come out. They sleep with women for live this thing for Facebook. They post them. Bandits they do give away for live streaming for TikTok. Bandits they come out. They show us the money where be said then they collect from people and as ransom. See money where bandits they carry they do show off. Bandits now they give government terms and conditions. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk am. Nobody agree respond. He even give us the solution how they go do am, but then say they no agree. Today, the poor they cry. High class people self they cry. Low class people self they cry. The man where for help us now, they for prison. Now bandits they don't reach Yoruba land. If they come out for Yoruba land now, we are not think say they go enter. Now Yoruba land then they face. After Yoruba land, we are not think say they go invade. Because these bandits then be like soldier ants. Before they break, you go here say they don't invade so community and so state. Then carry allegation put for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu head say in my former so D, former so that. What of the bandits there where they buy innocent children on a daily basis? They give government terms and conditions. They rape women. They do different things. How many of them they don't sentence to life imprisonment? Person will come out talk truth. Now they carry go prison. To close him mouth. Because see what I say, God need a sleep. One day, Chief Judge self go regret in action.
Welcome back, my people. The more they hold Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, more calamity will continue to fall into this country. It's better federal government will raise and beg Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for negotiation. Fail to do that. To jail him is not an option. The man is a prophet. What he has prophesied long time ago, that is what is happening currently now. And the whole Nigeria has seen it. It has been cleared to everybody's eye. First of all, you need to ask, who is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a spiritual man ordained to champion this cause. If you like, hold him from now to next 100 years. He will never and never compromise. If today is the first time you come across my channel, please kindly follow us and make sure you share all our content.